you wonder, when you've not had it done before, what to expect. But it was totally painless. And it was a little bit, I suppose, a little bit red afterwards. Maybe slightly swollen, but nothing really to notice. With a little bit of, I can't remember, I think I had a high factor to put on it. It was winter when I had it done. But I could put like a little bit of foundation on to cover it up initially. And it was all very good. And I was just totally shocked at how bad it was. I never noticed it really, not before, until you see the photographs afterwards and realised it was just amazing, you know. It also meant that I didn't need to wear such a heavy foundation to try and cover the redness up of before, all the veins, you know, so I could just wear something very light or just a factor sun cream on it, you know. I've always worn a daily face cream with a fairly high factor to it. So in fact, it's been wonderful, you know. And it was, I mean, you get this little prick feeling, but it's nothing really. And then you just sort of, after the initial 2 perhaps, you get used to it. So it's absolutely fine.